I always remember coming home on a Friday and smelling challah being made. And one other dish that I remember was called salata, which I think must have been Romanian for salad, because you took an eggplant and you put it over a flame, a gas flame. My mother even had a small gas stove put in the basement of our new house when we finally got it to cook eggplant over a flame, because when you got through with it, the entire outside shell of the eggplant was black. You peeled all the black skin off it, and then I still have this picture. You put it on a board, like a cutting board, tilted over the sink, and all the liquid and the poison, the sour stuff drained out of it, and then on the next day you chopped it up very fine and chopped an onion in it, and then you served that with olive oil. They also did something with the Romanian name mamalega. Now mamalega was a standard peasant dish, I think, in every country in the world. It's made with corn. It's cornmeal mush. You make it with cornmeal in every country. Peasants have it, and it's a standard part of the diet. And my parents always used to eat it with some stuff called brinza, which was cheese, a kind of goat cheese. My brother and I always prefer scrambled eggs on it. And that's how we would eat it. But what you did is you took a great big pot and you cooked up this cornmeal mush. So you had this whole pot of it until it stiffened. And you turned it over on a platter or on a board, and then you cut it with a very fine piece of thread. Of course, it was still damp inside and was very tough getting through with a knife. I always remember them cutting the mamalega with a string and then having either their goat cheese or our scrambled eggs with it. And those are the two typical, I guess, European dishes that I remember and can still taste.